What's going on, everybody? Thanks so much for clicking on the video. We're in the car right now, so hopefully, you guys will stay around. I'm sure the audio is going to be trash, but that's okay. So jumping into the video topic, my advice to real estate agents, especially new ones. I am almost a full year in real estate. As of, I think, March or April, I will be in real estate for a year. And I'm sure I would love to do like a how much I made video, so be looking out for that. But my advice to everybody that is just getting started is to just get yourself out there. Send out as many flyers, advertisements, mailers, personal letters. Send them as many as you can out. That's the major key I have figured out in this business is you need to have your name out there so much that when people think of selling their property or buying a property, your name is the first one they come up with. Another option is grow your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, your social media accounts. Grow them heavily. Spend a lot of time working on them, as that is going to help you guys reach a larger audience in the beginning. So if somebody on social media is like, hey, I really want to sell my property, and they follow you or they know of you and they're like, I really want to sell my property and buy another one, then they will probably think of you straight off, and you'll probably get a DM or an email saying, hey, I would love to sell my property, can we get in touch, or something like that. So that's my advice to you guys. Get your names out there, grow social media accounts, send out letters, personal letters, mailers, advertisements, online internet advertising. All of them are good. None of it is bad. Please, guys, that is what my advice is to you. And so with that being said, please subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.